All right, guys. Hey, hey, hey. So today let's draw a person. So I'm going to start with the jawline, and this person has more of a square jawline. So I'm going to come from here and I'm going to curve for that square jawline. All right, and I'm going to curve and go up. I want to just go up a little more than this one. All right, now I'm going to do the ears. All right, so for the ears, I'm just going to go up, curve, and down, almost like you flipped the letter C. And I'm going to do it on this side as well. And in the air, you just want to do one line this way and one that way. Now, of course, we're going to do a bit of shading, but to just get things, to have it a little easier, I'm going to go straight up on both sides. Okay. And then for his hairline, I'm just going to curve here and connect there. To fix his hairline, I'm going to come here and curve this way and curve this way. Now to draw the hair, we're going to go from the outside. So I'm going to go just a little way out, tiny bit, not too much, out like that. Okay. You're going to go one, little spikes, two, and three in the corner there. And you're going to go out, in, out, in. And we're going to do one more, out, and in. Now this one, you want to stop further than this line here. So I just did it super short right there. And then I'm going to come down and curve into here. Now I'm going to color everything black as far as his hair goes. Remember to color this part here because that is also his hair. Okay, so this is his hairline. Okay, I'm using a marker, so it's gonna, I hope it goes pretty fast. But for those of you using a pencil, guys, feel free to stop, pause the video, and go again at any point in time. And also, you can do his hair however you want. So if you want more crazy hair going this way, definitely you can do that. Almost finished, guys. All right, beautiful. I'm going to just close this up a little bit. And here as well. Yeah. Now, guys, I'm going to do his neck. So I'm going to come down here with the neck. And then we're going to curve out, curve out. And then you want to come off that curve. So not here, come off the curve like this. And then we're going to curve like so. Same thing on this side, off the curve and out. Now, okay, we're going to come from here and you want to just go like this. One, two. And guys, I'm not going to go further with the details. If you want to, you definitely can. I'm going to do the face, and I like to work my way from the eyes, eyebrows, nose, and then the mouth. So let's do his eyes. I'm going to do 2 circles. And in the circle, you do another circle and color. And color. Okay, I'm going to go from here and just do a curve this way and a curve this way. I'm going to make that line just a little bit thicker. And then we're going to do the eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, you come here and you do 2 lines like so. You curve this way and that way. We're just going to go super basic with the eyebrows today. Same thing on that side. Follow the line and then just color that in. For his nose, I'm going to come in the middle and I'm just going to do a curve like that. And then we're going to go up and down like a mountain, like so. On the side, you curve up. And then I'm just going to put a little line here to connect. But it's not connecting fully. See that? I stopped a little way before. I'm just going to do darkened circles right in the mountains. And then we're going to give him a super simple smile. All right. And guys, there you have it. You have completed a boy with a square face, square jawlines. I hope you had fun. Join us in the next one. Bye bye.